In this video I'm going to show you how to use Whiteboard in Microsoft Teams. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Before we proceed, do note that you can't use the whiteboard in a direct chat with a team member. It is only available in team channels. You can create a new team channel from here and invite the relevant people. Once you're in the team channel, at the bottom menu of the channel, you will see the Meet Now option. Tap on it, and it will initiate a group video call among the team members. Before starting the video call, you can add a relevant subject as well. And turn the camera on or off. Now once the call is connected, on the video calling screen, you will notice a toolbar. Here select the screen share button. At the end, you will see the Whiteboard section, which offers two options, Microsoft Whiteboard and Freehand by Invision. Choose Microsoft Whiteboard, and it will open the whiteboard for you. Microsoft offers a bunch of drawing options while using the whiteboard. You can use the standard pen tool in red, black, blue, and green color to demonstrate the strategy. You can also use the eraser tool, which lets you remove the irrelevant portion from the whiteboard. There's also a move tool that lets you move the whiteboard or a fixed section. If you want, you can invite more people in the middle of the call from here. And you can also save this whiteboard as an image. For that, tap on the settings icon at the upper right corner, and select Export Image in SVG format. That's it guys, this is how you can use Whiteboard in Microsoft Teams. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV, for more videos like this.